This is planet Earth, a giant ball hovering in space. And it really is giant. It's over 12,000 kilometers in diameter. Let's zoom in and compare it to the tallest point on Earth. Mount Everest, standing at 8,849 meters. That tiny dot is a Boeing 777, flying at 11 kilometers, traveling at 800 kilometers per hour. Let's zoom in even further. The tallest man-made structure, the 828-meter Burj Khalifa in Dubai, and the Eiffel Tower at 330 meters. And below it, a human couple.
Look, the Earth is flat as a pancake.
No, you just don't understand how big it is.
When zooming out again, notice how far away you have to be before you can begin to see the curvature. So no, the Earth is not flat. It's just unbelievably big compared to us. So when we're on the surface, we can't see its curvature. There are so many mysteries to explore. Please don't waste your time on this nonsense.